Do you ever feel like no matter how much you sleep, how many coffees you drink, or how hard you try to focus, your body just isn't cooperating? Like your energy crashes mid-afternoon, your brain fog rolls in, and you're running on fumes by the end of the day? If so, it's not just stress or bad luck. Most likely you're making one or more of these 5 surprisingly common health mistakes that silently drain your energy every single day. And the worst part? They're habits most of us never even question. Let's break them down one by one, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your energy around with simple, science-backed solutions that actually work. And make sure to stick around to the end, because I'll be sharing my personal go-to tools that keep me focused and energized, plus links to everything in the description so you can check them out yourself. Mistake number 1. Skipping hydration in the morning. Think about it. You go 6 to 8 hours without drinking anything while you sleep. Your body wakes up mildly dehydrated. And what do most people do first thing in the morning? They drink coffee, which is a diuretic, meaning it actually dehydrates you more. Even mild dehydration can reduce cognitive performance, make your heart work harder, and contribute to that sluggish, heavy feeling before you've even started your day. The fix is simple. Start your morning with 16 to 20 ounces of water. You can level it up with a pinch of sea salt or a sugar-free electrolyte tablet to restore minerals lost overnight. I personally use a smart water bottle that reminds me to drink throughout the day. It has been a total game changer. I linked it in the description below if you want to check it out. Mistake number 2, relying on caffeine as your main energy source. Caffeine isn't evil, but using it as a crutch without fixing the root cause of your fatigue is like taping over the check engine light on your dashboard. Caffeine masks tiredness. It doesn't solve it. Plus, over time, your tolerance goes up, and you need more and more to get the same effect, leading to worse crashes later in the day. A better strategy is pairing caffeine with L-theanine, a natural compound found in green tea that smooths the stimulation and reduces the jitters. It gives you calm focus, not chaos energy. There are also clean energy powders that include adaptogens like ashwagandha and rhodiola, which help balance stress hormones over time. These combos help your body produce natural energy instead of relying on external spikes. Mistake number 3, eating a carb-heavy breakfast with no protein. This one is massive. A lot of people grab toast, cereal, fruit juice, or even skip breakfast entirely. The result? A blood sugar spike followed by a crash a couple of hours later. And you feel it. The cravings, the mental fog, the "I need more coffee" moment before lunch. The fix: prioritize protein and fat at breakfast. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie with collagen and a scoop of nut butter. This helps stabilize your blood sugar, reduce hunger later in the day, and support your brain's ability to focus. I've included a link to my go-to smoothie recipe stack in the description with ingredients that actually keep me full and clear-headed till lunch. Now, if you're finding this helpful, hit the like button. It helps this video reach more people who need it. And if you've already spotted one of these mistakes in your routine, let me know in the comments. You're definitely not alone. Mistake number 4. Going hours without movement. We weren't designed to sit for 8 hours straight, but most of us do it anyway. The longer you sit, the more your blood flow slows, your posture collapses, and your body enters energy conservation mode. That's why your brain feels like it's moving through molasses by 3 p.m. The fix is surprisingly easy. Every 60 to 90 minutes, set a timer and take a 2-minute movement break. That could be a walk around the room, a few bodyweight squats, or a quick stretch using a suspension trainer like TRX. These micro movements increase circulation, wake up your nervous system, and reset your focus. Trust me, it makes a huge difference by the end of the day. I've added my favorite portable trainer below. It has been a lifesaver when I work from home. Mistake number 5, not optimizing your sleep recovery. You could get 7 hours in bed, but if your deep sleep is poor or your magnesium levels are low, your body doesn't recover the way it should. Magnesium glycinate is one of the most effective supplements for better sleep quality, reduced anxiety, and even fewer muscle cramps, and most people are deficient without realizing it. I started taking it before bed and noticed a measurable difference in my sleep tracking. Deeper sleep, fewer wake-ups, and more consistent morning energy. I've linked the exact brand I use in the description. Worth checking out if your sleep isn't ET where it should be. So let's recap. If you want more energy, sharper focus, and less burnout, stop skipping morning hydration, reduce your dependence on caffeine, build protein-packed breakfasts, move regularly throughout the day, and support your sleep with the right nutrients. And hey, if you made it this far, thank you for sticking with me. I hope this helped you rethink some of your daily habits. If you want to go deeper into these topics, I've got other videos on stress, sleep, and supplements coming up. So make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out. And finally, every product I mentioned today, along with a few bonus tools I personally use, is linked in the description. These aren't just random picks. They what I genuinely trust to keep my energy high and my brain sharp. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.